Hello friends, today I want to share with you my Snowflake self-assessment tool which I had prepared during my SnowPro preparation time. I was looking for such a tool during my preparation phase and couldn't find any. Also, there is too much detail in a scatter format, and it's difficult for a person, at least for a new person who don't know anything about Snowflake, to like which is the place where to concentrate and like if I want to learn and how, and also if I want to track and want to also see what is my confidence level during my preparation time. It was difficult for me to find such tool, so I thought of preparing same. So today I would like to show you the same. I have put my tool in a GitHub, so feel free to use the same for your preparation. All the contents of the tool is been picked from Snowflake University and Snowflake SnowPro guide. All the topics are from Snowflakes and are referring to the documentation, and those can change anytime. So please refer to the SnowPro guide exam before you actually appear. So basically your assessment tool will look like something this, where I have given on the top like how to use this assessment tool. So there will be three tab. Basically for you there will be so for your use it will be self-assessment, where you have to go and for each topic you have to select your confidence level. This is the overall dashboard where you will get the confidence level or the percentage of the confidence based on the subtopics. So if you will see that the SnowPro exam has been divided into multiple domains. Each domain has their individual weightage. Like for architecture it's 28%, virtual warehouse has 18%, like that. So for each topic there is subsection, so you have to go through and learn each and everything. So more detail will be when I will show you the demo. So let's go and see the demo actually. So here is my self-assessment tool. So this is the dashboard page or the assessment overview page. You will see that okay, all the other details like what is the version, when it was last created and everything. So if you go on the self-assessment tool, for each topic, if you go here, okay, for each topic there are subdomain, and for each subdomain there are certain topics. So I have picked up all the important topics. I have not picked up everything because everything can't be registered by anyone. So only those which I think and actually I used for my preparation is been put over here. So for each topic there is a link. So when you click on this, it will actually take you to the actual page which I referred for my training. For each link you have a confidence level. Once you go to the link, read all the documents, and if you know, okay, if you think like okay, you know about that particular topic, you can come here and check the confidence level. Know well means like you know everything and you just need a revision during exam. Know little means like you read but you didn't get the confidence, so you're marking this for like you want to come back and you want to take it further, but you want to continue as of now. So based on the confidence level you are taking, the color coding will change. No idea means like you have not started, or you have no idea, or you didn't understand. So based on what you select, your percentage of confidence of for a particular module or a sub topic will keep on changing, and whatever will be the entire confidence level of this particular subsection will be accumulated according to the main topic here. So the moment you keep on increasing the confidence level here, you will see that the confidence level also getting increased over here proportionately, and this is going to be reflected at the. So the moment you have all as known well, you will see that it will convert into 100%, and when all subtopics subdomain are 100%, then this main topic will be having 100%. So this is all about the self-assessment tool. feel free to ask me the question if you have. Thank you.